So guys, we're making this video down because Chef will be proposing by this time next year. So we are.
My life in Lagos. Hi guys, so today this young man's brother is going to be proposing to his girlfriend of how many years?
755 years.
He's going to propose to his girlfriend of 6 to 7 years, and we are part of the team planning the proposal. Everybody say hi. This is Pastor to say hi.
Hi guys. But on that day, they're trying to feel the body.
So Bolo and I and the media team. This is our hype man.
Yeah, who knows?
Host.
I might be proposing today too.
Okay. That's sign me that.
Sign the costume body.
My life in Lagos. Brand.
Vlogging bachelor.
Everyone agbese.
I swear to God, the struggle. This is 10:23 p.m.
Grace is one of the people that can make me travel all the way from there.
Now we.
No, no.
Congratulations to
No,
Yola and Oluwatobi. We love you.
And we celebrate you.
Yes.
Up next, now these guys be the best
Up
men.
next.
Now they be the best men of the best man. I wanna save my life today. God bless you guys. Up next is AY.
Up next is Shegun. Hopefully, sharp.
Bye. Later. And that's the end of the vlog.